Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to loop home screen pages on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your home screen, when you're swiping left all the way, and when you reach to the last page, you cannot swipe anymore. However, you can go ahead and turn on a feature where if you swipe again, you'll return back to the first page of your home screen. So with looping enabled, you can swipe right from the last page, which takes you right back to your first page. So no more dead ends, and it makes navigation feel smoother and more intuitive. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're opening up the Home Up module. Now from here, you want to go ahead and turn this feature on, then tap on Home Screen, and now find Loop Pages option, which is right here. Tap on this, and here you can go ahead and choose if you want to loop your home screen and app screen or just the home screen. So since we're only doing the home screen, we'll go ahead and select Home Screen, tap Apply, press Home. Now when you go ahead and swipe left, you'll return back to your first page when you reach to the last page. You can even do the opposite, so you can go left, and this will basically loop all the pages. So this is for faster access, more fluid navigation, and no more backtracking across pages.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.